Tired of creating yet another password? Sign up for eBay using your Gmail in under 2 minutes with no extra login to remember. I will walk you through each step, opening eBay, choosing Google Sign Up, and confirming your account. Let us get started. All right, the first thing we need to do is pull up the eBay website. Open your web browser and type in ebay.com, just the standard .com address. You will land on their homepage, and that is exactly where we want to be. This is the easiest part, so take your time. Now, look up at the very top of the page. You will see a few options, and right there is a button that says Register. Go ahead and click that. It is usually on the left-hand side near the sign-in link. I have tested this exact flow, and clicking Register is the only way to get to the Gmail option, so you are on the right track. So now that we have clicked Register, a new form pops up. But here is the trick. Do not start filling out your name or email. Instead, look for a button that says Continue with Google. It is usually right above the form or off to the side, branded with the Google colors. Click that one. This is the whole reason we are here, to skip the password hassle. Once you click it, a Google sign-in window will appear. It'll show you a list of any Gmail accounts you are already signed into on your browser. Just choose the one you want to use for your eBay account. If you have multiple, pick the one you use for shopping or personal stuff. If you only have one, it will highlight that one for you. If you are not already signed into Google on your browser, it will ask you to type in your email and password. Go ahead and do that now. It is the same login you use for Gmail. Nothing special here, just a quick security check. Now, here is the important part. Google will ask you to share some basic information with eBay, like your name and email address, and it will list out a few permissions. Read through them real quick. All it is asking for is access to your profile info so eBay can create your account. It is not asking for anything private, like your search history or your emails. Click the Continue or Allow button to move forward. I have gone through this exact prompt, and it is totally safe. After you allow it, eBay will take over. It might take a second to process, but you will be taken back to their site. And now you will see a screen asking you to finish setting up your account. This is where you might need to choose a username for eBay or confirm your location. Just follow the prompts on the screen. They usually ask for your country and maybe a phone number for security. Nothing too crazy. If eBay asks for any additional information, like your shipping address or a backup email, add it when prompted. I would recommend filling it out honestly so your account works smoothly later. But if something feels optional, you can usually skip it and come back. Once you have hit that final confirmation button, you are done. You should see a welcome screen or a dashboard that confirms your account is live. Go ahead and check for a confirmation email in your Gmail inbox as well. That is your proof that everything worked. And that is it. You have successfully signed up for eBay using your Gmail account. No new password to remember, no complicated forms, just a quick link between your Google account and eBay. Now you can start browsing and buying. Thanks for following along.